Aloha, welcome to day 4 of your Inner Calm 7-day meditation challenge. My name is Veronika, and today we're focusing on opening the heart by inviting compassion, connection, and love. In your comfortable position, we'll begin with the alternate nostril breathing, which is a powerful way to balance and open the flow of energy through our bodies. Hold your hand up in almost a shaka position, including the ring finger being extended. With your thumb, gently close your right nostril. Inhale slowly through the left. Now close the left nostril with your ring finger, release the right, and exhale through the right side. Inhale through the right nostril, close the right, release the left, and exhale through the left side. That was one full cycle. Slowly breathing through the left. Now close the left with your ring finger, release the right, exhale through the right side. Inhale through the right, close the right, release the left, and exhale through the left side. Continue at your own gentle pace, following left to right, right to left. Imagine with each breath you're balancing both sides of your body, your mind, and your heart. You're giving, but you're also receiving. Inhale slowly through the left. Now close the left, release the right, exhale through the right. Inhale through the right, close the right, release the left, exhale through the left side. Letting go of your hand, relaxing your shoulders. Lengthen your spine, gently rest your hands on your knees. This practice will help us soften self-judgment and expand kindness not only towards ourselves, but also others. Imagine a soft light glowing at the center of your chest. Feel the warmth of your heart. With each inhale, this light expands gently. With each exhale, it softens outward. Let it fill your body with warmth and ease. As you breathe, silently repeat to yourself, I am safe. I am loved. I'm centered. Allow this light to extend beyond you, maybe to someone you love. Imagine them surrounded by this same warmth and compassion. Whispering for them, you are safe. You are loved. You're centered. Imagine yourself and your world wrapped in kindness and compassion. Breathing slowly, basking in that feeling of love and safety and compassion that you've created for yourself. Your light continues to grow brighter, warmer, and stronger. Inhale, observe that light expand more and more. As you exhale, let it soften outward further and further beyond your body. Now imagine yourself being completely wrapped in this warmth of the light you've created, feeling that safety in your body, feeling stable and supported, feeling nothing but love, compassion, and kindness towards yourself. Feel gratitude for your breath, your body, your practice, and the capacity to love. Take a deep breath in through your nose Exhale fully out. Carry this sense of openness, warmth, and compassion with you into the rest of your day. Thank you, and thank yourself for joining day 4, and I'll see you tomorrow for day 5. Make sure to subscribe so you know when the new class is out. Mahalo and namaste.